Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you the first video of 2020. It's crazy. I've been uploading on my other channel, so if you're into your camera gear and your camera equipment, I will be sure to pop that link above or pop it down below, so go subscribe to that channel. But yes, this is the first video of 2020 on this channel. So first of all, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you have all of your goals and your accomplishments, whatever you want to get done in 2020. I hope you have them laid out, and I hope you go out there and crush them. But what better year or what better time to start off a new year is with a new phone. So we had to go out there and get the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are like, why in the world are you getting a 7 Pro right now? I'm pretty sure a new one is in the works. We got the new Samsung devices coming out, blase, blase, blah. Very true, but this phone was on the top of everybody's phone of the year list. We're talking about MKBHD as his phone of the year. My dude Andrew Edwards, he had as his phone of the year. And I'm like, hold on. I may need to try this thing out for myself to see what's really going on, because me, I love OnePlus devices. So this isn't too far of a stretch from what I use. But I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab one up and go ahead and review it on the channel. Now, this is a model that OnePlus no longer sells. This is the Nebula Blue. 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. Now, I'm pretty sure you're like, T, where'd you get this from? Can't let you know all that, man. Just know I got it brand new, sealed in the box. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. We're going to use this as a daily driver. I'm glad I was able to find the big dog version, because you never know what I might do, man. I might use this as my daily phone, because to keep it all the way a buck with you, I've been getting a little bored with my iPhone, and we got a video coming out about that later on, man. But let's go ahead and get into this OnePlus 7 Pro. Once again, the unofficial unboxing knife, man. I have a straight kitchen knife in here. So let me go ahead and use this thing real quick, man, for my girl. Come in here and be like using the kitchen knife to unbox your little technology. But let's go ahead and get this open, man. Super duper hyped to be trying this phone out. There was one that I always wanted to try out. I just let it pass by me, because you know these phones can zip right by you in a minute and you don't even realize what's going on, man. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So there you go. Got that OnePlus very nice packaging. I already know they're going to bring it when it comes to the packaging, man. So first of all, in here, what we have is a clear case. So, you know, I'm gonna be looking for a case, because you know I don't really like to run my devices naked. So, of course, we have the clear case and we have some documentation there, but we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. We got this Never Settle. So let's go ahead and try to plop it open right here. So here is that Nebula Blue. Let's sit that down to the side. And in here, we got that very nice Warp charger. Now, this is the best charger, I think, hands down, when it comes to any smartphone. I mean, OnePlus just really has it down packed when it comes to their charging. And let's see if we can open this with some sense and not tear everything open like we usually do. Okay, we were able to do that. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. And here is, of course, your USB Type-C, because, of course, OnePlus is using that Type-C. So let's go ahead and set everything to the side. And I'm pretty sure you're like, why in the world are you doing an unboxing video? I don't know, man. I was excited for this one. So I wanted to just do a quick little unboxing, because I was really excited to get this and just really excited to kind of get my hands on it, man. So let's go ahead and peel that information off. And here it is. This is that Nebula Blue. Now, this looks absolutely amazing. It feels good in my hand. It really feels very good. I know a lot of people kept saying this device is like overly heavy, but to be honest with you, I don't feel like it's that heavy at all. I feel like it feels regular to me, man. So it's not that big of a deal. So let's go ahead and power it on, because this device has been on for a while. So hopefully we do have a little bit of juice. There it is. So yeah, man, OnePlus 7 Pro. I really just want to do a quick unboxing, because I will be using this as my daily driver going forward. I'm really looking forward to using this phone. I know it has a nice little pop-up camera. I know the camera really isn't up to par. At least that's what I've been hearing. But of course, I need to review that for myself. So we're going to get into this phone, man. We're going to get into it heavy. I have to load it up. I got to pop my SIM card. I have to do everything like that. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, man. I just wanted to hit you guys real quick with just a quick unboxing to get this thing going. But the screen looks very good, and I haven't even dove into it yet. It's just the no bezel thing is really got me right now. It looks very good. So we're going to go ahead and load this up. We're going to get all of my stuff on there. I'll do that in a separate video. I really just wanted to give you guys a very quick unboxing, just to let you know what's coming to the channel. You can still find them out there, man. They're like unicorns, but people have these just sitting on them, and you never know what you may stumble across, man. That's exactly what I did with this one. I stumbled across someone that had it just sitting just literally in the bottom of their drawer, just sitting unopened, man. He just really offered me a price that I could not say no to. So that's the reason why I grabbed this thing up. So looking stupid hype, just ready to get some content going for this one. I'm not sure what the case game is looking like out there for the OnePlus 7 Pro, but if the main companies out there makes cases for them, you already know we're going to get into plenty case reviews, as many as I can at least do. I would love to order some of the OnePlus accessories because I really like them, to get them in to review those as well. But anything else you want to know about this OnePlus 7 Pro, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. We're going to be comparing it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're going to be comparing it to the Note 10 Plus because these devices are out now. So I've experienced them for a while. The Note 10 Plus and the 11 Pro Max is my daily driver. They're in my pocket every single day. So it'll be kind of good to give a refreshed opinion, especially on an older device, if you want to call it, in the tech realm of when this came out, comparing it to the Note 10 Plus and the 11 Pro Max, and kind of telling you which one I like better. We never know. I haven't done my phone of the year video. I know it's 2020 and the phone of the year is 2019. I haven't done it yet, but maybe this might throw a wrench into possibly what my phone of the year last year was. So man, stay tuned to the channel. Definitely look forward to getting into plenty of content with the OnePlus 7 Pro. If there's something in particular that you guys want to see, like I said, man, drop it down in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer the comment section, but I'm about to get up out of here. Technically T, man, definitely hit that like, definitely hit the sub button if you want to see the 7 Pro. If you want to see tons of accessories for the 7 Pro, make sure you hit that sub, man, and come back so you don't miss a video. But until next time, later.